Hello everyone, today we are going to go over SMS keywords in Dial My Calls. To get to the SMS keywords section, click on Tools and then Keywords. Any keywords registered will be displayed on this page, and to register a new keyword, click on Register. From the drop-down menu, select the vanity number you will be using for texting within Dial My Calls. Now you want to register the keyword you will be using to gather opt-ins in your Dial My Calls account. Click on Register to add that keyword to your account. You will now have a few options for your newly registered keyword. Enable notifications will let you add an email address to receive notifications when someone opts into your SMS keyword. Update SMS keyword will let you choose which contact group the opted-in contacts will automatically be added to. Quickly send them a new text message all at once by clicking the contact group when you go to set up a new broadcast. You are also able to add a custom auto response message when someone opts into your text messages using your keyword. Lastly, you can remove keywords from your account if you no longer need them. That wraps up our video on SMS keywords in Dial My Calls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.